Everyone, welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope you all are having a blessed day. I am blessed, and I know everyone else. And if they are not blessed, I hope you are blessed. And I know, look to God, because you will be blessed. So I'm coming to you this evening from Miss Lena's Kitchen, and I'm getting ready to make a turkey-zini, and I'm going to be making it with what I have here. And this is for Miss DJ's birthday party. So, okay, I'm going to read my verse, and it's coming from 1 Corinthians 13:6. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoice with the truth. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoice with the truth. 1 Corinthians 13:6. Thank you all so much for listening, and I hope that this all of my verses will find you one day when you need it the most. Will be able to see it and look back, and look back over the videos or whatever, and this will help someone every day. Today, tomorrow, next week, next month, or whenever you look at the video, this might be a verse that will help someone today. And I thank you all so much for watching the video. So I'm getting ready now to get started. Okay, I have 3 pounds of spaghetti that's already been cooked, and it's ready to go, okay? And now I'm going to be putting in what is this? 1 pound? Yeah, I'm putting in 1 pound of mild cheddar spaghetti. Cheddar cheese, I'm sorry. All right, I'm going to be working it in right now. This is 1 pound of mild cheddar cheese, okay. Now I'm going to pour in 2 cans of Rotel. Okay. And I'm going to pull in, this is my vegetables that has been sauteed. So this is bell peppers, onions, sweet peppers, and carrots, all mixed together, all right. Okay. Now, this is, okay. This is 3 cans of mushroom soup. This is 3 cans of mushroom soup that I'll be pouring in now. Right now. This is complete. Okay. And this is onion powder. And this will be garlic powder.
And now she's going to stir it all up before she add the turkey. Yeah, she putting one more can of cream of mushroom, then a cream of celery. This cream of celery, y'all. Which don't really go in there, but we're going to put it in there today anyway.
Turkey in there. Okay. And stir it, then I stir it again. Okay, yeah. Turkey in now.
And we took a whole turkey and boned it. Deboned it.
So this is about 4 or 5 pounds of turkey that's going in. Oh my goodness. Get a little bit at a time. I'm getting ready to put some rice. Yeah, tell me. Some cheese on top.
And the recipe will be in the description below, y'all. But see, this is for a big pan, so y'all probably have to half it. Okay, y'all, she put the cheese out on it, so we're going to put it in the oven for about 45 minutes, and we'll show you once it come out. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this is my final presentation of my Tetrazzini that I made today, and it was for DJ's birthday party. So this is what we have left, and it was very delicious. And I hope y'all will look at this video and find out it's going to be delicious, because you will really enjoy it. This was made for quite a few people, though. You can cut it down. You don't have to use as much as I did. I love you all, and this is a happy birthday dinner part. Tetrazzini, very, very good, and it is off the chain. And we had a whole big old it was about 15 pounds in the pan. So this is what we have left. Thank you so much. May God bless each and every one, and I thank you all for watching a happy birthday. And I thank you so much. Good night. May God bless each and every one. This is from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Tetrazzini, DJ's birthday, number 64. Thank you so much, and I know she's enjoyed it all. Goodbye now. We'll see you in the next video, live session. Thank you so much. Goodbye now.